Titanic, extremely large. Synonym: huge, colossal, gigantic. Antonym: teeny, small. Implicate, to show or suggest that someone is involved in a crime or wrongdoing. Synonym: accuse, incriminate, involve. Antonym: exonerate, vindicate, exclude. Discriminate, to recognize or show a difference between things, often by making the fine distinction. Synonym: differentiate, segregate, distinguish. Antonym: equate, integrate, combine. Remission, to the forgiveness or cancellation of a debt, charge, or penalty. Synonym: absolution, amnesty, exemption. Antonym: relapse, punishment, aggravation. Frivolity, lack of seriousness, light-heartedness. Synonym: triviality, insignificance, playfulness. Antonym: gravitas, sobriety, earnestness. Austere, severe or strict in a manner or attitude. Synonym: severe, strain, ascetic. Antonym: luxurious, lavish, lenient. Lousy, very poor in quality, unpleasant or unsatisfactory. Synonym: cheerful, beautiful, superb. Antonym: excellent, fantastic, wonderful. Peculiar, unusual, strange, or distinct from what is normal or expected. Synonym: eccentric, distinctive, unique. Antonym: normal, ordinary, typical. Affirm, to publicly verify something. Synonym: confirm, assert, endorse. Antonym: deny, refute, reject. Skeptical, having doubt that a claim or statement is true or that something will happen. Synonym: distrustful, cynical, suspicious. Antonym: trustful, believing, confident. Attire, one's dress or clothes. Synonym: clothing, apparel, garb. Antonym: disrobe, undress, nakedness. Alleviate, to make something less severe. Synonym: reduce, mitigate, soothe. Antonym: aggravate, exacerbate, worsen. Evasive, not straightforward or honest. Synonym: ambiguous, vague, avoidant. Antonym: direct, clear, frank. Homilious, a speech or piece of writing giving advice on the correct way to behave. Synonym: homilious, lecturious, preaching. Antonym: silence, absence of preaching. Candid, to being honest, straightforward, and open in expression. Synonym: frank, direct, sincere. Antonym: deceitful, guarded, insincere. Gyration, the act of turning quickly in a circle is gyration. Synonym: revolution, rotation, spin. Antonym: stillness, stability, immobility. Reckon, to calculate an amount, a number. Synonym: calculate, estimate, consider. Antonym: disregard, ignore, mistrust. Dainty, something that is delicately small and pretty. Synonym: elegant, graceful, exquisite. Antonym: clumsy, coarse, rough. Fecundity, the ability to produce children, crops. Synonym: fertility, productivity, generativity. Antonym: sterility, infertility, drought. entail, to make something necessary or to involve something. Synonym: encompass, involve, necessitate. Antonym: exclude, prevent, omit, grisly, causing horror or disgust, gruesome. Synonym: horrifying, gruesome, ghastly. Antonym: pleasant, delightful, cheerful, applying, concordant, in agreement with something. Synonym: harmonious, agreeable, compatible. Antonym: discordant, conflicting, incompatible. Insipid, having almost no taste. Synonym: bland, dull, tasteless. Antonym: flavorful, exciting, stimulating. Indigent, lacking basic necessities of life due to poverty. Synonym: destitute, needy, impoverished. Antonym: wealthy, affluent, prosperous. Strive, to work hard toward a goal. Synonym: endeavor, labor, struggle. Antonym: ideal, procrastinate, give up. Felicity, a state of happiness. Synonym: bliss, joy, delight. Antonym: misery, sorrow, gloom. Frisky, full of energy, wanting to play. Synonym: playful, energetic, spirited. Antonym: lethargic, sluggish, tired. Embezzlement, the act of stealing money that you are responsible for or that belongs to your employer. Synonym: theft, fraud, pilfering. Antonym: honesty, integrity, reimbursement. Insolent, showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. Synonym: rude, disrespectful, impudent. Antonym: polite, courteous, humble. Deprived, suffering from a lack of basic material benefits or necessities. Synonym: impoverished, destitute, needy. Antonym: privileged, affluent, prosperous. Plethora, a large or excessive amount of something. Synonym: abundance, surplus, profusion. Antonym: scarcity, lack, deficiency. Lullaby, a soothing song or melody typically sung to help a children fall asleep. Synonym: cradle song, sleep song. Antonym: noise, clamor, racket. Envoy, a person sent as a representative on a special diplomatic mission. Synonym: messenger, delegate, ambassador. Antonym: resident, non-representative. Anchorites, a religious person who lived alone and avoided other people. Synonym: hermits, recluses, ascetics. Antonym: socialist, extrovert. Confiscate, to officially take something away from somebody, especially as a punishment. Synonym: appropriate, expropriate, impound. Antonym: return, release, restore. Abscond, escape into hiding, to leave quickly and hide to avoid punishment. Synonym: flee, escape, decamp. Antonym: stay, abide, avoid. Interpret, explain or understand the meaning of something. Synonym: clarify, decipher, construe. Antonym: obscure, miscontrast, misinterpret. Ablaze, burning, fierily, fiercely. Emblaze, on fire. Synonym: burning, fiery, ignited. Antonym: extinguished, dim, dark. Askant, To rise, to go up, to climb up. Synonym: elevate, soar, climb. Antonym: descend, fail, decline. Venom: the poisonous liquid that some snakes, spider, etc. produce when they bite or sting you. Synonym: poison, toxin, malice. Antonym: antidote, benevolence, kindness. Bliss: perfect happiness or enjoyment. Synonym: euphoria, ecstasy, contentment. Antonym: misery, sorrow, agony. Luminous: shining in the dark, giving out light. Synonym: radiant, lustrous, bright. Antonym: obscure, shadowy, dull. Retract: to refuse, to keep an agreement, a promise. Synonym: revoke, renounce, recede. Antonym: assert, reaffirm, confirm. Petty: small and insignificant. Synonym: trivial, narrow, unimportant. Antonym: insignificant, major, grand. Assume: to suppose, to be true, especially without proof. Synonym: presume, believe, take on. Antonym: prove, reject, disregard. Condemn: to express strong disapproval of something or someone. Synonym: denounce, criticize, blame. Antonym: prize, acquire, command. Mourn: to feel or express deep sorrow or grief. Synonym: gripe, lament, sorrow. Antonym: rejoice, celebrate, exult. Bind: to tie somebody, something with rope, string. Synonym: secure, obligate, confine. Antonym: release, free, liberate. Hypothesis: a proposed explanation or theory that is studied through scientific testing. Synonym: theory, conjecture, assumption. Antonym: false, certainty, conclusion. Warm: showing affection, kindness, or enthusiasm. Synonym: cozy, friendly, affectionate. Antonym: chilly, distant, indifferent. Innermost: extremely large in size, quantity, or extent. Synonym: huge, immense, colossal. Antonym: teeny, small, minute. Antique: old and often valuable. Synonym: ancient, vintage, historic. Antonym: modern, contemporary, recent.